This guide explores various methods and strategies, empowering users to restore their iTunes libraries and resume their melodic journey seamlessly. Method 1. How to recover songs from iTunes via iOS data recovery. If you've inadvertently deleted crucial songs or audio files from your iPod or iPhone without a backup, or if you wish to selectively recover specific files, we highly recommend utilizing the potent iOS data recovery tool. How to recover accidentally deleted song from iTunes library via iOS data recovery. Step 1. Launch iOS data recovery. Step 2. Scan the iTunes backup file. Step 3. Restore songs from iTunes backup. Method 2. How to recover deleted songs from iTunes in Trash Bin of Mac. Open Trash. Find deleted iTunes song. Double-click. Drag to desktop or another folder. Open with iTunes to add back. Sync recovered files to Apple devices via Mac. Method 3. How to restore deleted songs from iTunes via iTunes backup. Close iTunes. In Finder, relocate iTunes folder to usual. Finder username music. Reopen iTunes. Press Option. Select Library. Pick iTunes folder in Music. Choose iTunes Library. It'll file. Music restored. On iPhone, iPad. Connect your iPhone or iPad to your Mac using a USB cable. In iTunes, select your device and click on Summary on the left side. Under Backups on the right side, choose Restore Backup. Select your preferred backup and click Restore. Wait for the restore process to complete. Method 4. How to recover songs from iTunes by redownloading purchased music. Open iTunes. Sign in with Apple ID tied to purchase. Click Account in the top menu. Choose Purchased. Navigate to Music tab. Find desired songs. Click Cloud or Download icon. On iPhone or iPad, in iTunes Store, tap More 3 dots at the bottom. Pick Purchased. Select Music, then on this device. Find songs. Tap Download icon Cloud with arrow to redownload. Method 5. How to recover songs on iTunes from a Time Machine backup. Open Time Machine in Finder Applications. Locate deleted iTunes songs. Preview with spacebar and click Restore. Phone or iPad users sync iTunes on all devices with a Mac if Time Machine is not available. Method 6. How to restore deleted songs from iTunes from iCloud backup. Factory reset iPhone. Settings, General reset. Erase all content and settings. Set up iPhone as prompted. In App and Data, choose Restore from iCloud. Sign in. Select desired backup to restore deleted music.